Experiencing issues with your T-Mobile app? Let's get it working. First, address login problems by verifying your username and password. Reset it via the T-Mobile website if needed, and check two-factor authentication settings. If you can't update the app, ensure you have at least 200 megabytes of free storage. Try updating manually through the App Store and clear the app cache before updating to prevent issues. If the T-Mobile app runs slowly, clear its cache through your phone's settings menu. On Android, navigate to Settings, Apps, T-Mobile, Storage, Clear Cache. For network connection issues, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and ensure you have a strong signal with at least 3 bars. Disable any VPNs that might interfere. If problems continue, restart your device to refresh system processes and resolve temporary glitches. For ongoing issues, access in-app support chat or call T-Mobile customer service at 611 for personalized assistance. Finally, regularly update your device's operating system to ensure the best compatibility and security with the T-Mobile app.